Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making chicken taco soup, guys. This recipe will be ready on the stove top in just 30 minutes, and it is so comforting. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Start off by mincing your garlic. Dice your bell pepper. Dice your onion. After chopping your veggies, go ahead and slice your chicken breast in half. Just like so, and continue the same process for the rest. Now it's time to season our chicken. Just make sure that the chicken is well coated with this olive oil so our spices can stick to our chicken. Season with some adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, cumin powder, and smoked paprika. This is how my chicken is looking after seasoning it. As you can see, it is well seasoned. So now, over medium-high heat in a large Dutch oven, go ahead and add your olive oil. Now that our oil is nice and hot, go ahead and place your chicken. And we're going to sear them until they have a nice golden color. Now go ahead and flip your chicken. After 4 minutes, go ahead and remove your chicken and place them on a platter. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest of our chicken breast. After you are done with your chicken, go in with your bell pepper and onion. Add your butter. Now that you are sauteing your veggies, go ahead and turn your heat down to medium. And I would like to saute these for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now go in with your garlic. Saute for another minute. After a minute, go in with your tomato paste. Saute for another minute. As you can see right now, we are building the flavor in this recipe, and it smells incredible, guys. Now go in with your beer. Go ahead and cook that for a minute. Add your W sauce. Add your chunky salsa. This is how it's looking after adding in our chicken broth. Now place your chicken on a cutting board, and I am going to give it a rough chop, and you can also shred the chicken if you would like. This is how my chicken is looking after giving it a rough chop. Go ahead and return it to the pot. Now add your corn. And make sure that you drain both the corn and your beans. Now allow this to simmer for 15 minutes. This is how my soup is looking after 15 minutes. Give it a taste to see how much seasoning we need to add to it. As you know that the chicken was already seasoned, and it's been simmering for 15 minutes in the soup, so we need to taste to see how much additional seasoning we need to add. I'm going to add a little bit of taco seasoning, some black pepper. After adding your taco seasoning mix, go ahead and turn your heat down to low. Now it's time to add our sour cream. And just slowly add that in and stir as you are pouring it in. After adding in your sour cream, this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so my chicken taco soup is ready and it looks amazing. I went and topped it off with some cheese and some extra sour cream, and also I had made myself some homemade tortilla strip to go with it, and I cannot wait to enjoy it. That is the best. It's so comforting and delicious. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.